Welcome back everybody, Bill here. I hope everybody is having a great day so far. In today's video, we're going to cover how I'm making easy money selling used books on Amazon with FBA. But before we jump into this video, guys, please do me a favor. As always, please subscribe, please smash that like button, and we'll get right into this. Alright guys, so jumping into this video here, so yes, as you heard it right, I'm selling used books on Amazon in order to fund my private label product. Now this is a very good way of getting into not just e-commerce and selling online, but specifically selling on Amazon. It allows you to kind of, test the waters and really get familiar with Seller Central because it can get very confusing at times. So I definitely recommend, if you are new to selling online and specifically selling on Amazon, that you first start off either doing retail arbitrage or selling used books. And selling used books right now is what I'm really getting into, and it's actually very fun. I just want to show you guys the actual Seller Central app right now. I just refreshed it. So there's proof that it is, it is definitely possible to make money. So that's $333 right there within the last 2 weeks of just selling used books online, right? So the process once again is very simple. So I go to secondhand shops, I go to thrift stores, Goodwill, Salvation Armies, anything like that, and I find used books that are valuable, and then I put them in boxes and I actually just ship them to the Amazon warehouse. And I use their services. So I use Fulfillment by Amazon, and then from that point on, they literally just do all the rest. So I don't do anything after I ship them in other than check how much money I've made every single day, right? It's a pretty sweet deal. It's a very simple and easy way to get into selling on Amazon, and I highly recommend it to anybody who is kind of cautious with getting into private labeling, because as we all know, private labeling, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work, and it takes a lot of money to get started. Approximately $1,500 to $2,000 at minimum just to get started with private labeling. So this is a very good way to kind of test the waters, like I said, and get your feet wet with selling online and specifically selling on Amazon. So I just wanted to bring this to you guys today because I'm pretty excited about it. It's very fun to go out and actually just go on a hunt for these books and everything, and get them back, and then actually scan them in and then box them and send them into Amazon, and then just wait for the sales to come. It's a very simple and easy process. If you guys have any questions about selling used books on Amazon, definitely feel free to comment below. I would love to interact with you guys, and I would love to help you guys out. If you're new and if you would like to do the same thing with selling used books on Amazon. So hope you guys like this. If you guys did and would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe, please hit that like button, and I will see you guys in the next video.